How to use a voice changer in Roblox VC and Discord or on VoiceOver. One voice changer can serve both apps at once. Discord lets you choose the input device inside the app, while Roblox simply follows your Windows default. Install a voice changer, such as VoiceMod, Clownfish, or Morphox on your PC from its official website. Open it and set your real microphone as the input, choose an effect, and enable the virtual microphone output. For Discord, open User Settings, then Voice and Video, and set Input Device to the voice changer's virtual microphone. Use the Discord mic test button and speak. You should hear the processed voice played back to you immediately. For Roblox, open Windows Sound Settings and set the same virtual microphone as the default recording device on the Recording tab. Restart Roblox completely, join a voice-enabled experience, and connect using the headphone icon. If Discord sounds robotic or delayed, disable noise suppression and echo cancellation in Discord, since they fight with the voice changer. Keep your real microphone selected as the input inside the voice changer, never the virtual one, or you will create a feedback loop. Tip: running two apps through one virtual microphone is fine, but heavy effects add latency. If callouts arrive late in-game, switch to a lighter effect or lower the processing quality.